Epigenetics. When most people hear that word, an image of scientists conducting mysterious experiments probably comes to mind. Maybe it does for you too, but after this video, you'll think of epigenetics in a different way, one of awe and wonder at the incredible power of human cells. What is epigenetics? Simply put, epigenetics is the study of gene suppression and activation. When you break it down to Latin, epigenetics means upon genetics. But how does epigenetics work? In the human body, think about each cell as a house that's being built by construction workers. The foreman, or the person in charge, has the entire blueprint for the house. But just giving the whole blueprint to each worker wouldn't make sense. The workers might get confused about which room of the house to build. Instead, the foreman gives each worker a snippet of the main blueprint that only contains instructions for one room. The workers then build each room on their own and put the rooms together to make the house. But wait, if the construction workers are building a house for somebody who lives on their own, the house doesn't need 4 bedrooms. So the foreman just doesn't hand out that part of the blueprints and the house is built without those extra rooms. Because the foreman can choose which rooms can be included, each house, or cell, can be customized to fit the body's needs. In this way, we have skin, hair, teeth, and eye cells that all have the same blueprint, but serve different functions. Cell construction works exactly the same way. The blueprints, or DNA, contain all of the information needed to construct cells. The DNA is curled around proteins, known as histones, to form a chain-like structure called chromatin. For our purposes, there are 2 types of chromatin, active and repressed chromatin. Active chromatin is stretched out and is easily accessible, while repressed chromatin is wound extremely tightly and can't be accessed. Almost all of our cells have the exact same blueprint, they just have different combinations of activated and repressed chromatin. The active chromatin are the snippets of the blueprint that the foreman gives out to the workers, and the repressed chromatin are the parts that the foreman doesn't use. An enzyme called RNA polymerase acts as the foreman, going up and down the chromatin while decoding the strings of active chromatin into pieces of RNA. The cell can then divide through cell division and continue the cycle. All the billions of different cells that are created then work together to construct the human body. So the next time you're stuck in science class, take some time to stop and appreciate the wonders of the human body.